No traction control, no sensors, just pure diesel lungs. That's what happens when metal is built for tough terrains and not easy roads.
Iron lungs breathe, the gears grind slow. Echoes of sparks where the wild flames grow. Welding dreams in the molten stream. Sweat and thunder fuel the machine. Smoke rolls high, the night still hums. Where the rhythm the world becomes. Burn or build, don't matter to me. We're the fire in the factory. Break the chains, hear the anvil sing. A revolution in every ring. Crimson embers in the midnight air.